Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to upload files using a Google Drive shared link. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just sharing resources, this guide will make sure you do it right every time. First things first, click on the Google Drive link you've been given. This will take you directly to the shared folder. One important thing to check here is your access level. You need to have editor permissions to upload files. If you don't have them, reach out to the person who shared the folder and request editor access. Without it, uploading won't be possible. Once you have the right access, navigate to the folder where you want to upload your files. Google Drive's interface is really intuitive, so browsing through folders is simple. When you're in the right location, look at the top left corner for the New button. Click it, and you'll see options like File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose based on what you need, upload a single file or an entire folder of files. Next, your computer's file directory will open. Select the files or folders you want to upload. Tip: you can select multiple files by holding down the Control key while clicking each one. Once you've made your selection, hit Open or Upload. The upload process will begin, and depending on your internet speed and file size, it might take a few moments. You can track the progress in the small window at the bottom right of Google Drive. And that's it. Once the upload is complete, your files will be visible and accessible within the shared folder, ready for collaboration. This method is perfect for sharing resources quickly and efficiently, making teamwork much smoother. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help.